Good afternoon, John here. These are the knives that I had a Williams and Hussey molding machine that I sold here years ago, but I kept the knives. Probably should have sold the knives at the same time, but thought I maybe would use them for some reason. I probably need to keep the one for my house trim, which was, where'd it go? This one, this guy here. The guy that has the molder, he's south of town here, but if you know anybody that's got a Williams and Hussey molder, I've got quite a few knives. This one here, I did a big molding out of redwood. It's like a architrave, I guess they think they call it. There's some crowns and baseboard. There's a big crown there. I used to make all my mantles with that one, and cherry and walnut, and this one. But yeah, this is the molder. It's changed. It looks like it. The head was a square head, but it looks like you get outfeed tables. I had my own outfeed table, and then it looks like they've enclosed the machine a little bit more. It was more open. The belts were all, you could see them, but it looks to be the same exact molder. The thing I liked about it was it was open on this end, so you could do raised panels, and I used to do curved moldings. You could I used to make a plywood base, and then you could run curved moldings. Anyhow, anybody knows anybody that's got a Williams and Hussey molder, I've got some knives. You just send me a message. All right, thanks. Have a good one. God bless.